Hello, hi friends. Welcome to Model Maths Nagaraju Sir YouTube channel. Now in this class we are going to learn Intermediate First Year Mathematics 1A, 5th chapter, Product of Vectors. So from this chapter, 1 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, 1 7 marks question, completely 2 4 6 7 13 marks from this chapter. 13 marks syllabus it is. Okay. So before going to this chapter, please subscribe our Model Maths Nagaraju Sir YouTube channel and click bell button and share with your friends, and also please click like button. Okay. So in this product of vectors, already additional vectors is completed. In that we have learned some important basics and how to get good score in that chapter also we learn. So from this chapter, product of vectors. Product means what? Generally product means we know two product of 2 and 3, 6 like that. But in this vector we have two types. One is dot product. What is first one? Dot product. Just it has only two types. One is dot product and second one is cross product. Okay. Second one is cross product. Dot product means simply some dot. Okay. So product of vectors. Just write me a statement. Product of vectors. Vectors is two types. One is dot product. What is one? Dot product. And second one is cross product. Only two types it is. Okay. In this dot product, how can we product multiple vectors? And in the cross product, how can we do product by using cross product? So first heading dot product. This is very simple. Just a small applications. Okay, now there are no huge formulas also no need. So in this product, suppose I dot I value what, j dot j value what, and k dot k means what. I dot I means 1, j dot j means also 1, k dot k means also 1. So other than these same terms means I dot j different terms value is 0. Next to I dot k is also 0. Next to j dot I is 0. J dot k is equal to 0. For different terms we get 0. For same terms we get 1. That's it. Next to k dot I also 0. K dot j also 0. Okay. This small basic information. By using this information, you can find the dot product of any two vectors. For example, a simple question. For example, a bar equal to some 2i plus 3j minus 3k, and b bar equal to, let us taking one example of minus k. Okay, you can take any example and you try it. You also can get. So 3i minus 3j plus 5k. Two vectors I have taken, a bar and b bar. Then find a dot b. Find a bar dot b bar. So how can we find? Very simple. A dot b means, first write down a vector a, 2i plus 3j minus k dot 3i minus 3j plus 5k. So in this dot product, we just do only multiply I coefficient with I coefficient. Next to, no need to do I coefficient with j coefficient. Why? Yes, very good. If you do I coefficient with j coefficient, we get I dot j. I dot j value is 0. So instead of writing huge steps, in simple way we can write how I coefficient with I coefficient. Next, j coefficient with j coefficient. Next, k coefficient with k coefficient. Tell me, 2 3 jump 6. That's it. 3 into minus 3. Minus 9, minus 1 into 5, minus 5. So minus 9 minus 5 minus 14 plus 6 is minus 8. So this is the A dot B answer. Is it very simple or not? Okay. In normal multiplication, what can we do? So 2 3 is 6i square, 2i into minus 3i minus 6ij, 3j into 2i into plus 5k, 2 5 is 10ik. Okay, that is not used here because of in this dot product. What about I dot j? Different terms value is 0. The same terms of dot product is 1. That's why directly we can proceed in this way. In every problem we must follow in this way. Okay, that's it. Next to see the second one. Can I remove this? Please note down. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next to I'm going to tell what about cross product. Can I give here? Okay. Next second one is cross product. So this cross product means the symbol is used into for this cross product. Means for example, here in this cross product I cross j what? See, I will give you one small figure. Small means small. By using this we must follow order. I cross j is k, k cross I is j. Okay, I, j, k sequence. I cross j is equal to k, j cross k is equal to I, k cross I is equal to j. Very good in this vector. Similarly, reverse direction. Reverse direction means in the vectors opposite direction means minus. I think you got it. K cross j is equal. Yes, very good. Minus I. J cross I is equal minus k. Okay, I cross k equal minus j. In this way we can write. Okay, just I am writing here. What about I cross j? K. Next, j cross k. J cross k equal I. Two must be different and must be in order. Okay. Next, k cross I equal j. Okay, in the opposite direction means I cross j kaakunda reverse direction j cross I equal minus k. Next, I cross k cross j equal to reverse direction minus I. Next, I cross k reverse direction minus j. Okay, those must be different. If both are same, then what will be the answer? Nothing. The answer is 0. I cross k I 0, j cross j is equal to 0, k cross k equal to 0. Okay, let us see same problem, same example I am taking, and how we can find a cross b. If a is, what is that? 2i. Same question I am taking, plus 3j minus k, and b bar equal to 3i minus 3j plus 5k plus 5. Suppose a and b are those two vectors. Find a cross b. Okay, friends. Just I am saying here one example. Only with using help of these two examples, we can find number of problems we can solve. Okay, a cross b equal. I will tell you two methods for this question. The first method is general method. 2i plus 3j minus 5k. Cross means cross. 3i minus 3j plus 5k. Okay, how can we do this cross product? Means same process, but in this dot product we multiply I term with I term, j term with j term, k term with k term. But here if you multiply cross product with I term, we get 2i into 3i. 2 3 is 6 I cross I. Okay, I am writing 6 into I cross I. In the next step I cross I will be 0. Okay, let us see total simplification. First of all, 2i cross minus 3j means minus 2 into 3 minus 6 I cross j. Next, 2i cross 5, 2 5 ja 10 I cross k. Next, plus 3j with 2. So plus 3j into 3i. How much? 9. Actually dot product is easy. Okay. Next, cross product. In this cross product we should do cross multiplication with each and every term. 3j with 3i. 3 3 is 9. J cross I. Next, 3j with minus 3j. So becomes 3 into minus 9 j cross j. Okay. Next, 3j with 5k. 3 5 ja 15 j cross j. Next, minus k with 3i. Minus 3 k cross I. Next, minus k with minus 3. So plus 3 k cross j. What is first, what is second? That is also most important. First is k, second is j. So k cross j. Next, minus k with 5k. So minus 1 into 5 minus 5 k cross k. Okay, from the next step I am going to simplify 6 into I cross I 0 minus 6 into I cross j. What is I cross j? It is in order k. Okay, don't bother about this simplification. I will tell you a simple technique in this second method. After this, you just listen here. If you do not understand also, no problem. There is no problem. Just leave it. First of all, listen this. After that, I will tell you one second method that is very easy. Okay. Next, because of don't confuse, don't get irritation. Just having with be patience. Just listen. I cross k. I cross k. It is in opposite direction. Becomes minus j. Next. Sorry, where I am? Oh, okay. I cross k. Next, plus 9 into j cross I. J cross I reverse direction minus k. Minus 9 into j cross j 0. Next, plus 15 into j cross k. J cross k same direction I. Next, here minus 3 k cross I. K cross I same direction. Answer is j. Next, when I am here, k cross j plus 3 into k cross j. K cross j opposite direction, it is minus I. Next, minus 5 into k cross k value 0. Okay, here I am going to simplify. When I remove chapter name and this one, so did you write? Okay. Next, 6 into 0 0. Next, 6 into k minus 6k. 10 into minus j minus 10j. Next, 9 into minus k minus 9k. 9 into 0 0. 15 into I 59. Minus 3 into j minus 3j minus 3 into I minus 3i. Minus 5 into 0 0. Okay, what are the items? Here items minus 3i. Here plus 59. So totally 59 minus 3i 12i. Okay, next j terms. Here minus 10j, here minus 3j, minus 13j. Don't bother about this. I will tell you a simple technique. First listen this. Next k terms. Here minus 9, here minus 6, minus 15k. Actually, this is what about a cross b. So instead of dot product is very easy, no? With I term with I term, j term with j term, k term with k term, we got some scalar, that is minus k. So we got it scalar, a dot b dot. So what is a cross b? A cross b means we got a vector. So what is the other second method, simple method? Yeah, second method. Second method is determinant method, very simple method, determinant. First I, j, k. First a terms, vector a. Vector a elements 2, 3, minus 1. 2, 3, minus 1. Next b vector b. 3 minus 3, 5. 3 minus 3, 5. Okay, this is very simple method. Even you learn this method also no problem, but learn this method. Okay, now, do you know how to do this determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? In matrices, determinants we learn easily. Oh, that's why intermediate first year students, we must learn first matrices chapter. So, videos are available in my Model Maths YouTube channel. Maths part 1 by Nagaraju Sir, Maths part 2 by Nagaraju Sir, Maths part 3 by Nagaraju Sir. So and so, please watch. Okay? If you watch, no problem. With I quotient we get 3 minus 1 minus 3, 5. Next minus j into 2 minus 1, 3, 5 plus k into 2, 3, 3 minus 3. I will give you homework problems also, same type of problems. Don't bother about 3 5 are 50 minus 3 into minus 1 minus plus 3 minus j into 2 5 are 10 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Okay, plus k into 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 into 3 9. Simplify this. 15 minus 3 12i minus into minus plus 10 plus 3 13. So already minus is there. So 13j we got it. Minus 6 minus 9 minus 15 k. So minus 15k. Got it? Same answer. Which method is easy? Second method or first method? Yes, second method is easy. Okay, follow the second method in every way. Wherever you have to find A cross B, you can use this method. Okay, let me see the long questions. Shall I take? Okay. Okay, first question, long question. Okay, very important questions are going to discuss in this part. So please watch till the end. You will get full clarity on the long questions. First one, if A bar equal I minus 2j plus k, B bar equal 2i plus j plus k, C bar equal I plus 2j minus k, then find A cross B cross C and modulus A cross B cross. Okay, so let us find first of all A cross B cross C. To find A cross B cross C, we first find B cross C vector. After getting B cross C, then we can find A cross B cross C. Okay, first of all, what are the given? Given that A equal I minus 2j plus k and B bar equal 2i plus j plus k and C bar equal I plus 2j minus k. These are three vectors which I have to find first. First we should find B cross C in bracket. So B cross C. Okay, now how can we find it? Determinant first I, j, k. Then elements of vector B. First write vector B elements. What are those? 2, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1. Here nothing means k coefficient 1, k coefficient 1 like that. Next is vector C. C elements 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. So finally we get B cross C. Can I do here? Listen carefully. Again I am saying the next second question I will give you for your practice or homework. Next, okay, now how to do? I with 2 and next to j with 2, next to k with. I terms 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 2 minus. Next j terms. Okay, what are the elements? 2, 1, 1 minus 1. 2, 1, 1 minus. Next k terms. 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1. Next to now find cross product. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 into 1, 2. Next minus j with 2 into minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 into 1, 1. Next k with 2. Again middle minus 2 into 2. 4 minus 1 into 1, 1. Simplify minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So minus 3 I will get. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. This minus 3 into minus j becomes plus 3j. Next 4 minus 1, 3 into k becomes 3k. So this is, what about this? This is B cross C. So next what do we have point? A cross B cross C. So now we have A. What is A? I minus 2j plus k. And what is B cross C? B cross C we have, that is minus 3i plus 3j plus 3k. So now therefore A cross B cross C is what? First I, j, k as degree. Vector A means what? 1 minus 2, 1. Write down 1 minus 2, 1. Next B cross C. B cross C means what? Minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now let us simplify this. Okay. So which is equal same I into next minus j into next k which is equal, okay, I into I column, I row close, remaining minus 2, 1, 3, 3. Next j column, j row, 1, 1, minus 3, 3, 1, 1, minus 3, 3. Next k column, k row, 1 minus 2, minus 3, 3. So which is called I into, do cross multiplication, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 3 into 1, 3. Next minus j into 1 into 3, 3 minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Next plus k into 1 into 3, 3 minus 3 into minus 2, 6. So which is equal to minus 8, minus 6, minus 3 how much? Minus 9, 9. See, many times I told you this type of simplification, don't think about minus minus plus. When minus into minus plus, clear? Here no, there is no multiplication. There are minus 6 and negatives 3. Total minus is 9. That's it. Okay now. if it is minus 6 into minus 3, at that time minus into minus plus 6 into 3, 18. Everybody do mistake in this type of situations. So please remember, minus 6 minus 3 means minus 9 only. Okay, next, here bracket is there in between minus and minus, so minus into minus plus, it becomes plus 3 plus 3, 6. So already it is minus j, so becomes minus 6j. Next, 3 minus 6, one is plus, one is minus, do subtraction, we get minus 3k. So what about this? Therefore A cross B cross C is equal minus 99 minus 6j minus 3k. So this is our answer. Next, what? Okay, we got it, this one. Next is asking what is modulus A cross B cross C. How can we do? In VECTORS we did do. How to find modulus? Yes, very good. For second one, modulus A cross B cross C is equal to modulus, what is that? Minus 99 minus 6j minus 3k. So which is equal to root of I coefficient what? Minus 9 square, j coefficient what? Minus 6 square, k coefficient what? Minus 3 square. So no problem, even minus is there, it has a square, so minus square means minus into minus plus. 9 square means 9 into 9, 81, very simple. Similarly, minus 6 whole square means, minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. Minus 3 square means 9. So how much? Root 126. So root 126 is the answer. Sorry, is there any mistake? Once check it. Okay, no problem. First question is root 126 completed that, no mistake. Okay, next second question. Sorry. Suppose in the first question if they ask like A cross B cross C determine modulus, then how can we find? First find out A cross B information, then do with cross C, we get some answer. Okay, for that also I will give you answer is root 174. You try it. If question is asked like that, we can get that. Okay, first question is completed. Next, second one. See, if A bar equal to I minus 2j minus 3k, B bar equal to 2i plus j minus k, C bar equal to I plus 3j minus 2k, then show that A cross B cross C is not equal A cross B cross C. Okay. See, first find B cross C vector. B cross C. You will get I plus 3j plus 5k. How can we do? I, j, k, B elements and C elements. Same process. Next, after getting B cross C, do with A. So you get minus I j plus 5k is the answer. Next, similarly second one. What is the RHS? What is the RHS? Individually find out. LHS. Okay, RHS. Next, for RHS, first find A cross B. So A cross B, you will get this answer. After getting A cross B with cross C, A cross B with cross C, we get minus 5a plus 15a plus 20. So then LHS RHS not equal to, therefore LHS is equal to not equal to RHS, hence proof right down, it is complete. Okay, if you have any doubt, please put in comment box, I will try to give you. So next, let us see third question in this chapter. See, third question is, if A equal to 2i plus j minus k, 2i plus j minus k, comma B bar equal minus I plus 2j minus 4k, and C bar equal to I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k. Then find A cross B dot B cross C. Find A cross B dot B cross C. How to solve this? First of all, find A cross B, very good. Next, find B cross C, very good. Next, after that, do dot product of A cross B and B cross C. So what is A? A is 2i plus j minus k, and B bar is minus I plus 2j minus 4k, and C bar is I plus j plus k. First of all, I am going to find A cross B information. Then after I will find B cross C. Okay. So 2i plus j minus k minus I plus 2j minus 4k I plus j plus k. Okay, question is right. First find A cross B. How can we find A cross B? Yes, very good. Determine I, j, k. First A elements 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. B elements minus 1, 2, minus 2. So find this vector. Can I write it directly? Okay, I with j with k. Okay, what are the elements? Write down. Next I into 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4, j into 2 minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. Next k, 2, 1, minus 1, 2. So I into we get minus 4 minus of minus 2 becomes okay minus 4 minus of minus 2 minus j into minus 8 minus 1 plus k into 2 into 4 minus minus 1. So which is equal to minus to minus plus minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2i minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 into plus minus plus 9j minus into minus plus 4 plus 1 5k. So this is A cross B. Okay. Sorry. Next similarly find the second one B cross C. So B cross C is equal to what? I, j, k. So B elements first minus 1 2 minus 4 minus 1 2 minus 4. Next C elements 1 1 1 1 1 1. Find it. So which is called I into next minus j into plus k into I into elements 2 minus 4 1 1 j into minus 1 minus 4 1 1 k minus 1 2 1 1. So we get I into 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Next minus j into tell me yes very good minus 1 minus 1 into minus 4 minus 4 plus k into 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 2. So minus into minus plus 2 plus 4 6i minus into minus plus so this is plus 4 minus 1 3 into minus j minus 3j. Next minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3k. So we got B cross C also. So therefore A cross B dot B cross C is equal to what? First A cross B write up. That is minus 2i plus tell me 9j very good. Next 5k. Next A cross B is over. Next dot. So dot. Next B cross C. So B cross C. What is B cross C? Yes, this is B cross C. Okay. What is that? 6i minus 3j minus 3k. How can we simplify? You just tell me. Yes. Yeah, very good. I coefficient with I coefficient, j coefficient with j coefficient, k coefficient with coefficient. So minus 2 into 6 minus 12. Next 9 into minus 3 minus 27. 5 into minus 3 minus 15. So all are negative terms. So how many negative terms will be there? 5 7 12 to 14. 2 to 4 1 54 minus 54 terms are there. So total answer is minus 54. So this is the third question answer. Is it clear? Any doubts? First to find A cross B, next to find B cross C, next to do dot product. Okay now, bracket terms simplify first of all. Do you want one more question in this model? Can I give you one more question for your practice? Okay. So fourth one. So friends, if you like my classes or interested in my videos, please subscribe and click bell button. Many of you till now not subscribed. So please do subscribe immediately. Click bell button and also click like button. Okay, for more videos. Next, fourth one. If A bar equal, see in intermediate, always remember one thing. You must follow the better way. The better way is which are long questions, which are 4 marks questions, which are 2 marks questions. First we should know. Then after, give priority according to the important wise. Then completing all important problems. Then learn the other 2 marks questions. Because of in 7 marks questions, in 4 marks questions. Okay, 100% we get in important questions only. And when coming to the 2 marks questions, there is no choice. That's why we make, if you feel any fear, then do the textbook problems. Otherwise, I will give you other 2 marks questions also from all chapters in the last video. Okay, so finally, first learn my classes are enough for 7 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks. And if you want more problems, take 2 marks problems from the textbook. And I told you which chapters consist 2 marks for the examination. According to that way, just follow, means functions, matrices, vectors, okay, trigonometric ratios, next hyperbolic functions. This chapter consists 2 marks questions. So follow thoroughly for 2 marks questions. Easily you can reach 75 out of 75. Okay, textbook order, it's not good because of it gives some confusion. Textbook order, we get some confusion, but here concept wise and important wise and 7 marks, 4 marks, 2 marks wise I am explaining. So I hope that this is very useful to you. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. 4th question, if a equal to 2i plus j minus 2i plus j minus 3k and b bar equal to, this is for you, please do the problem. I will give you the answers also, plus k and c bar equal to minus I plus j minus 4k, minus I plus 4j minus 4k, sorry, minus I plus j minus 4k, and d bar equal I plus j plus k. Okay, 4 vectors. Then compute means find out data of a cross b cross c cross b. Okay, this is the question. See, a bar equal to 2i plus j minus 3k, b bar equal to I minus 2j plus k, c bar equal to minus I plus j minus 4k, d bar equal to I plus j plus k. Then compute determinant of, modulus of a cross b cross c cross d. How could we solve this? Yes, very good. First find a cross b value. Next find c cross d. Next a cross b cross c cross d. Next modulus. Okay na? Step by step. First a cross b. What is a cross b? Okay na? Determine I, j, k, a elements, b elements and simplify. Next similarly c cross d. How can we find? Determine I, j, k, c elements, b elements and simplify. We get answer. Okay. For a cross b we get minus 5i minus 5j minus 5k. This is 5k. Next c cross d we get 5i minus 3j minus 2k. Next third step is a cross b cross c cross d. How to solve this? Determine I, j, k, a cross b elements, c cross d elements. Okay now. So means like that I, j, k, a cross b elements minus 5 minus 5 minus 5, c cross d elements 5 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, do this one. Simplify this. We get answer is minus 5i minus 35j plus 40k. So this is a cross b cross c cross d. And finally, the last one is modulus a cross b cross c cross d. Means what? Modulus of this term. Modulus of this term means what? Root of I coefficient, j coefficient, k coefficient square. So finally, we get answer is 5 root 114. 5 root 114. That is the answer. So do this. These 4 problems are very easy and very simple and very important. Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay. See the next one. Okay friends, next 5th question. This is very most important. Every year 90% we can expect this question. Okay, before that a small formula. Okay, in long questions we have only few formulas. In that one of the formula is the shortest distance between two skew lines is modulus box ACBD by modulus B cross D. Okay, or we can write modulus box C minus A B D by mod B cross D. Okay, what is AC, what is B, what is D? Okay, that can be C in the problem. See, the problem is find the shortest distance between the two lines or bar equal 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus t into I minus 2j plus 2k and r bar equal minus 4i minus k plus s into 3i minus 2j plus 2k, whose where t comma s are scalars. So this is the question. In this question, is it okay? Solution. I am removing the question. Okay, as I told you, this is very important question. I am just writing given that solution. What are the given? R bar equal to this one, R bar, two vectors are given. See, this is taken as capital OA, this is taken as small b. This is taken as point capital C, this is taken as vector small d. Why? Because of this is the form of R equal to A plus TB. Means it is a point, it is a parallel vector. In addition of vector will add, even you remember or not, you just remember here, first one taken as capital OA, second one taken as vector B directly. And in this first one taken as capital OC, it is a point, and the second one vector is taken as small d. See, we got it small b, small d, small b, small d, small b, small b, we got it. Next, what is AC? AC means what? OA we have, OC we have. From that OA, OC, AC means what? OC minus OA. Okay, you just write out. So OA equal, directly you can write OA equal 6i plus 2j plus 2k, and from that, what is small b? Small b, vector b equal I minus 2j plus 2k. Okay, this is very easy. Just remember the only two steps. Okay, process is as it is. Simple answer. Even we should remember the answers also because of that much important question this is. Next, from second vector, what is OC? Capital OC is called minus 4i minus k, and the small d bar can be taken as 3i minus 2j plus 2k. Write this in this way as it is d. So now find out, we have b vector b is there, next vector d is available. Okay, remember the formula b d got it. Next, AC we require. AC means what? Yes, very good. OC minus OA. In addition of vectors, so many times we use this formula. AC means OC minus OA. If suppose BD is there, OD minus OA. BC, OC minus OA. AB, OB minus OA. Like that. AC. One taking AC only. Okay now. In formula, AC means what? OC minus OA. OC means what? Yes, minus 4i minus k. And minus means minus. Next OA. OA means what? 6i plus 2j plus 2k. Simplify this. Minus 4i minus k. Minus into 6i minus 6i. Minus into plus 2j minus 2j. Minus into plus 2k minus 2k. Next items. Here minus 4, here minus 6. Total we get minus 10i. Next j terms. Only minus 2j. Next k terms. Here minus 1k. Here minus 2k total. Minus 3k terms. So got it AC also. Next, okay, can I remove? Okay, no problem. So I am going to find one by one. First, I would like to find what is box ACBD and how can we find. So box AC small b means very simple. That means determinant. First AC elements. What are the AC elements? Minus 10, minus 2, minus 2. Minus 10, minus 2, minus 2. Next, B elements. What are the B coefficients? 1, minus 2, plus 2. 1, minus 2, plus 2. Next, D terms. 3, minus 2, plus 2. 3, minus 2, plus 2. So, which is equal? So, minus 10 into. Next, minus of minus 2 into. Next, plus minus 3 into. simplify, we can get one answer. So minus 10 with what? What are the remaining? Yes, minus 2 to minus 2 to minus 2 to minus 2 2. Is it clear? Next, second one. Second row, second column close. 1 2 3 2. 1 2 3 2. Next, third row, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2. So now which is equal minus 10 into, do cross multiply, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Is it clear? See once again, check. Okay. See a small mistake in question. Sorry, this is minus 2k. So D, that is minus 2k. So D, yeah, this is minus 2. So this is minus 2. Next, this is also minus 2. Okay, clear. So now minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So then everything is right, no problem. Now minus into minus becomes plus 2. 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 into 2 is 6. Next, plus into minus minus 3, into 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So then which is called minus 10, minus into minus plus 4 8, plus 2 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 8, and minus 3 into minus into minus plus 6 minus 2 becomes 4. So multiply 10 into minus 8 minus 18, 2 into minus 8 minus 16, minus 3 into 4 minus 12. So totally how much we are getting? 12, 16, 28, 80 minus 108. So please remember the answer also. Box AC small b small d is equal mod minus 108. Next, what we have to find? This numerator we got it, numerator we got it. Next, what is b cross d? Next, after finding b cross d, we can write the answer. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Okay. Can I remove this? So next one, I am going to find b cross d. Okay. So next, after that continuation, we are writing b cross d is called I, J, K. Okay, what is B elements? B elements, just now here B vector is there, yeah. 1, minus 2, 2. And D vectors 3, minus 2, minus 2. Is it right? Yes. So which is called I into items minus 2 to minus 2, minus J of, okay, 1 to 3 minus 2 plus K into, okay, 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2. So which is called I into, do cross multiply, minus 2 into minus 2, 4 minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Next, minus j into 1 into minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 into 2, 6 plus k into 1 into minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So which is called I into same, minus plus 4 plus 4, 8 minus j into minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 plus k into minus plus 6 minus 2 becomes 4. See, the same terms we get 8 minus 8, 4 because of those are same. So we get 8 times minus plus 8j plus 4k. So this is b cross d. So if you take out 4 common, no problem. So 2i plus 2j plus k, 1k. So we got a b cross d, but we don't want b cross d, we want modulus b cross d. So therefore modulus b cross d is equal to modulus 4 into 2i plus 2j plus k. So which is called modulus 4 means 4 only. Okay. I coefficient 2 square, j coefficient 2 square, k coefficient 1 square. So totally can I remove this? Okay. So next we get which is equal, this is also which is equal 4 into root of 2 square 4 plus 2 square 4 plus 1, which is called 4 into 9, root 9 means 3, 4 into 3 means 12. So modulus V cross D is equal to 12. And actually the formula box ACBD, that implies modulus box ACBD is equal modulus minus 108 is equal to 108. Okay, so this is one answer numerator, this is mod V cross D denominator got it. Therefore shortest distance is equal to, what is the formula? Modulus box ACBD by modulus V cross D. So which is equal to 108 by 12. Yes, in 12 table. It is cancelled in 12 table. 12 1 12 9 which is equal to 9 units. Distance, yeah. So that's why distance it is positive. That's why it is taken modulus. So we got answer is 9. This is very important question. But in this 2022-21 years, it is not in syllabus. So no problem. Just listen this. Okay, there is chance to. But other than this is very most important question. Okay, let me see one more question. Same type of problem. See. Yes. Next, sixth problem. This is also very most important and the same type of question. But question is different. But same formula, same classes. How? Okay. First, what are the given? Question is if A equal 1 minus 2 minus 1, B equal 4, 0 minus 3, C 1, 2 minus 1, D 2 minus 4 minus 5. Then find the distance between AB and C. Distance between AB and C. So in this, one is taken as small b, one is taken as small d. Okay? One is taken as small b, one is taken as small d. Small b means AB, small d means C. So before that, let us write up given that what is A? 1 minus 2 minus 1. What is B? 4, 0 minus 3. What is C? 1 minus 2 minus 1. What is D? 2 minus 4 minus 5. Expressed in vector formation. We are in vectors topic. So vector means point is given. Point is taken as position vector. So position vector of A is equal to OA. That is equal. So how can we write? I coefficient 1. So 1I. J coefficient minus 2 minus 2j, k coefficient minus 1k, so minus 1k. So no need to write 1. So OM is that. Similarly, coefficient vector of B, you must write public in statements. Okay, don't do like this. So OB equal to, we can write 4i. 0 means there is no j term, k term is minus 3k. If you are interested 0j, if you write also no problem. Similarly, coefficient vector of C is OC. OC can be taken as 1i plus 2j minus k. Next, similarly, coefficient vector of D, that is taken as OD, that is you can write 2i minus 4j minus 5k. We got it all OA, OB, OC, OD. What is the shortest distance formula? Modulus box AC small b small d by mod b cross d. Very good. So in that AC means what? Yes, AC means OC minus OA. What is OC? Very simple. This is I plus 2j minus k. If you listen, understand, it is easy. If you do not listen, it is not easy. OA, what? I minus 2j minus k. Simple technique. So I plus 2j minus k minus I minus 2 minus plus 2j minus 2 minus plus k. So what are the items? Items cancel. 2j plus 2j, we get 4j minus k plus k cancel. Oh, we got only 4j, that is AC. No problem. Next, okay, can I remove this? Next, we have to find out capital AB, capital C. So what is capital AB? AB means what? OB minus OA. So OB means what? Yes, OB means 4i minus 3j minus OA. OA means what? I minus 2j minus k. Find it is 4i minus 3j minus I minus into minus plus 2j minus into minus k means plus k. So which is equal items? 4i minus I becomes 3i. Next to j terms, minus 3j plus 2j becomes minus j. Next to k terms, only 1k. So this is AB. AB is taken as small b, as I told you. So small b means 3i minus j plus k. Next, what is second one? CD. So CD means what? OD minus OC. OD means what? That is vector, position vector of D. That is, what is that? 2i minus 4j minus 5k minus OC. OC means what? I plus 2j minus k. Simplify this, we can get OD. OCD means what? Small d. I think you understand. You can do easily. 2i minus 4j minus 5k minus into I minus 2j minus plus k. So what are the items? Here 2i and minus 1i becomes 1i. J terms minus 4j minus 2j becomes minus 6j. K terms minus 5k plus k is minus 4k. So we got it even D terms also. So capital AC we have, small b we have, small d we have. So by using these three terms, we can find shortest distance between any two lines. Okay? Here I am writing, therefore capital AC we got it 4j, and small b I got it that is 3i minus j plus k, and small d I got it as I minus j minus 4k. Okay? So one by one I am going to find. Okay, after that from here I am extending. Therefore box capital AC small b is equal to what? AC terms, 3 vectors are there, that's why AC terms 4j, only j term is 4, then I and k terms are 0 0. Next B terms 3 minus 1 1, D terms 1 minus 6 minus 8. Simplify, you will get box ACBD. Okay, so 0 into something minus 4 into something plus 0 into something. Okay, 0 into something means minus 1 1 minus 6 4. 4 into something 3 1 1 minus 4, 3 1 1 minus 4. Next 0 it means 3 minus 1 1 minus 6. See, whatever this, that into 0 becomes 0. And here also we get something, that something into 0 becomes 0. Do here minus 4, 3 into minus 4, minus 12, minus 1 into 1, 1. So, minus 12 minus 1, minus 13. Minus 13 into 4, how much? Minus 13 into, okay, see once, check it. Sorry, here is small mistake. Capital B is 4 comma 0 comma minus 3. So 4i 0j minus 3k. Please change that. So minus 3k is minus 3k. Okay, 4i minus ii 2j terms plus 2j, and k terms minus 3j plus 2k is minus 2k. Minus 2k. So here we get 4i plus 2j. Not 4i, 3i plus 2j minus 2k. I'm extremely sorry. That is B. So what is B? 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Plus 2j minus 2k. So 3 plus 2 minus 2 we get. 3 plus 2 minus 2. So for 4, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4. 3 minus 2, 1 minus 4. Okay. Minus 2. That's it. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So now simplify. 0, minus 2 minus plus, minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. So minus 4 into minus 10. How much? 40. So this is what? Box AC small b small b. Even you take modulus also, we get modulus 40 means only 40. So got it numerator. Next we are going to find denominator. What is denominator? Mod b cross d. Mod b cross d. So first of all find b cross d. Then we can do modulus later. Finding b cross d. So b cross d means what? I, j, k. B elements. What are the b elements? Vector b 3, 2, minus 2. Next d 1, minus 6, minus 4. So simplify this. What we get? You simplify, I will tell you your answer. Do it. Okay, what we are getting? Yes, very good. Minus 20i. Important question. Plus 10j minus 20. You just pause the video and do it. You can verify it. So simplify this, we get this one. After getting this, therefore modulus b cross d is equal to modulus. What is common in this? If you take common, simply we can find a solution. We can take minus 10 common or 10 take out common. 10 common, then minus 2y plus 1j minus 2k. So modulus b cross d is equal to modulus 10 into minus 2y plus j minus 2k. So modulus of 10 is 10 into root of I coefficient minus 2 square plus j coefficient 1 square plus k coefficient minus 2 square. So which is equal to 10 into root of minus 2 square means 4 plus 1 plus 4. So this is 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4, root 9. So 10 into root 9. Root 9 means what? 3. 10 into 3 means what? 30. So this is mod b cross d is 30. So we got two answers. One is modulus, sorry, not two answers. One is modulus box ACBD is 40 and mod b cross d is 30. Therefore, distance between AP and CD is equal to modulus box AC small b small d by mod b cross d is equal, what is that? 40 by 30. Cancel 4 by 3 units is the answer. So what is the answer finally? 4 by 3. So friends, these are the 5 important long questions we discussed till now. So the remaining questions will be learned in the next part 2 in this product of vectors. So product of vectors part 1 we completed 5 questions, and then product of vectors part 2 by Nagaraju Sir in the next class. So how to find the equation of the plane, how to find the angle, if the diagonals, if a ray makes the diagonals alpha, beta, gamma, delta angles. Okay, na? Same question is in maths B also, and mathsIA also is there. So in the next part we can learn those questions. In the next part we can complete 7 marks questions. Just in 2 parts we can complete all 7 marks questions. 1 7 marks pakka for compulsory for the coming examination. So thank you for watching my classes, my videos. Please subscribe and click bell button and share with your friends. So watch. Thank you.